I just wanted to show you exactly how to get to all of the courses that you need to complete each day. So when you log in, it'll say welcome your name at the top of your screen. Right below that, you'll see a menu that says home, plan, progress, courses, messages, and so on. Each day, you'll want to click plan and choose daily plan. When you do that, this will come up on your screen. So at the top will be your daily Class Connect sessions. So these are our live sessions each day for class. And right below, you will see where it says courses. These are all of the lessons that you need to complete every single day in addition. So not only do you need to complete the Class Connect sessions, you also have to complete these courses as well. So in order to get to these lessons, you just click right on the lesson title. So right here would be lesson 2. Down here is also lesson 2, and so on. You click each lesson. You read whatever information is on the screen, and you click the arrow to progress to the next page. For this lesson, for example, there are some materials listed. So it's really important that you look at these materials because it tells you exactly what you need to complete. You continue to progress through the pages and read each page. And at the end of most lessons, there will be a short little 5-point assessment. To begin that, you just click Begin Assessment. Use the arrows to navigate your way through. You'll choose the correct answer. And when you get to the end, it'll say Submit. You'll click Submit. And it'll tell you if you have any unanswered questions, and then you'll click, you can either go back and answer any unanswered, or you can click Submit. And it'll tell you how you did, and it'll mark the lesson as complete. So I'm going to hit cancel here, but you guys would normally hit submit. When you have completed a lesson, this little circle will be filled in green with a white check mark in it. That is a nice, easy way to track what you've completed each day.